So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you create PDF using your Python code. Here we will be using a module named as fpdf for that. So firstly we will open our VS Code and open our desired folder. Now what will I do is I will create a virtual environment out here because I don't want that module to be installed on my system level. You can install it globally if you want it. So firstly I will be creating a virtual environment. I can directly create this via this. Create environment. venv. And then interpreter will be this. This will create your virtual environment inside here. And then what you have to do is just wait for a few seconds till it gets created. Here in this, when you are using this module, you can add custom fonts and custom text and many more things. So the following environment is selected. That means our environment is created. If you need to check that, click here on terminal and then new terminal. You will see a pop-up that your Python virtual environment was successfully activated. That means now you are all set. Just install pip install fpdf. That's it. This will install your required module. So yeah, our setup is done. Now you have to create your Python file which will create your PDF. Let's say this will be test.py. Test.py. Now what you have to do is you have to import your module here from fpdf import. As I am importing a particular class from this module, so I will be typing this from fpdf, that is the library which we are using, and I am importing this class. Now I have to create a PDF instance using fpdf, this one, and then pdf.add page. pdf.add page. This will add a page. Enclosed by brackets, and then pdf.set font. Set font Arial. I will be using Arial font. Okay, you can use any font if you want. And then style will be, if you want bold, then you can type out bold here, that is B here. Style equals none, default, and then size will be 16. That's it, we are all set. We have set the font now, we have created a page now, and now what we have to do is we have to create a cell out here, pdf.cell, and then you have to define the height and width of that cell. Height will be 200 and width will be 12 or 10. You can take anything. And then hello, this is a PDF created using fpdf. Okay, sounds great. Now what you have to do is you have to, if you want to change the line, then you have to set ln equal true, and then you have to if you want to set the alignment, then what you have to type, align equals center. Alignment will be center. Okay, so we are all set. Now what you have to do is you have to create this pdf.output, and type the name of the PDF here. Like I will be writing my pdf.pdf. If you want to see something on the terminal, then type print. You are all set. Okay, now let's run this program. Okay, you are all set. You can see this on the terminal, and my PDF is also created. You can see this. Hello, this is a PDF created using FPDF. So guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.